Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show conditional call forwarding active problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Click on three dot menu and click on settings. Click on supplementary services. Turn off call waiting and click on call forwarding. Click on voice call or video call. Turn off all option. Tap on hold phone app. Click on I button and click on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Swipe down notification panel. Turn on flight mode or aeroplane mode and press on power button. Click on reset and reset phone normally. In this way you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.